Hi guys, it's Bonnie from Oz Beauty Expert, and today we're going to be creating this beautiful metallic makeup look. So today I'm using this absolutely beautiful palette from Profusion. It's the Mixed Metals palette and it's got 9 different eyeshadows in it, a mixture of both matte and metallic. This is the color Naked. I'm just getting that into my socket line, and this is just going to give me a beautiful soft contour on my eye. I'm going to contour the lower lash line with the color Bark, which is quite a bit darker. So this is the color Mic Drop. I've just built that up on my eyelid to be a really strong, beautiful metallic. I'm pressing it onto the eyelid and I'm not blending it up into the socket line. I'm just keeping it on that lower half of the eyelid. I'm just placing a little bit of the color Bark, the darkest color that I'm using, into my socket line. And I'm also going to put a little bit into the very outer corner of my eyelid, just to give my eye an extra bit of definition. A soft blending brush just to blend in that darker color so that it just looks like it's beautifully placed in the crease. With a soft fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust over a little bit of the color Poppin' Bottles under my brow. Now to finish my brows, I'm going to use the Clear Instant Brows from 1000 Hour. Just applying a little bit of mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes before I put on my favorite pair of false eyelashes. To finish the makeup look, I'm going to apply the Boho lashes from 1000 Hour. 1000 Hour have so many great pairs of false lashes at the moment. These ones have the invisible band, which means they're really easy to apply. They're a full lash, but the ends are tapered, so they give you a full but natural looking finish. Now I'm going to finish my look with some lip color, of course. I'm going to use the Profusion Cocoa Mixed Metals Lip Kit. This is a 3-step kit and will give you a beautiful look. Thank you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this makeup look as much as I have.